35 years, abandoned in the Amazon jungle, completely forgotten. We restored it.
Scanner shows life sign anomaly. Descending now.
Preparing for closer read.
Adjusting navigation. The scanner detects a dormant metallic structure, approximately 2 meters in height. Assessment indicates significant duration growth.
Advanced terrestrial jungle. Conditions stable. Structure appears mechanical. Corrosive agent identified. Initiate scan.
Authorization confirmed. Initiate recovery sequence.
The preliminary structural integrity scan is complete.
Corrosion is extensive, affecting all articulation.
Power signature remains undetectable.
Field is staction. Stable. Initiating extreme fall. Descent sequence engaged.
Dimensional analysis complete. Material composition. Corroded chrome endoskeleton. 35 years jungle exposure.
Offline.
Material composition analysis complete.
Unknown secondary component detected. No active power reading. Does not match any database profile.
Analyzing corrosion depth. Integrity confirmed. Restoration viable.
The assessment is complete. All structural elements are intact.
Restoration to full movement is confirmed.
Joint mechanism lock state assessment initiating.
Assessment complete. Severe lock confirmed. Structural integrity and restorability verified.
Analyzing composition. Structural integrity compromised at secondary component junction. Status is critical. Arrays deployed and secured. Initial frequency sweep commencing.
Signal indicates 42% corrosion. Engaging phase 1. Analyze chest density signature. Cross-reference with structural integrity logs. Confirmation. Exceptional corrosion resistance detected.
The dissolution fluid is behaving differently here. Scan for trace energy signatures. I'm seeing a faint secondary luminescence at the contact boundary. The trace energy signature is barely detectable, a ghost in the machine. It's responding to the dissolution at a molecular. Stage 4 nano abrasion complete.
Verified. Beginning stage 5 preparation.
Particle blasting confirmed. Surface quality shows pre-mirror chrome.
Quality assessment complete. Brilliant pre-mirror confirmed.
Acknowledged. Initiate stage 6 preparation.
Initiate plasma sequence.
Fusion stable.
Repair complete.
Moving to shoulder.
Ready for next phase. Proceeding with molecular fusion. Confirmed.
Initiating hip repair. Power up.
Status green. Fusion complete.
Engage simultaneous fusion. Primary node secure.
Adjusting intensity on leg assembly.
Synchronization achieved. Precision heat. Optimal flow. Maintaining structural integrity.
Stage 6 complete.
Proceed with Stage 7 joint mechanism restoration.
Acknowledged. Initiating full joint disassembly simultaneously.
Severe scoring on bearing races. Seals show degradation. Need full replacement of joint mechanism. Updating list now.
Full range of motion confirmed. All joints fully restored. Tricore steady. Power flow nominal. We have activation at the optical sockets.
System verification running. Comprehensive activation status confirmation across all Steel Phantom systems. All systems green.
Full systems integration test initiating. All Steel Phantom systems activating simultaneously at full operational level.